Welcome to the installation video of Aquarello. The following video serves as an explanation for the installation of our tabletop water machines with our patented TAPRIng. You can find a PDF guide on our website aquarello.club. The following material is in our kit: a TAPRIng, as well as the plastic O-ring, the gas regulator, the valve, the gas bottle holder, the 1/4-inch tube, the gas bottle. Shut off the cold and hot water supply under your sink. Remove the water connection from the tap. Uninstall the water tube with the corresponding tools. Put your water tube in the tap ring and O-ring. Basically, there are two attachment types for faucets: with the M8 thread rod or with the M32 to M34 thread rod. If you have a thread rod and no thread rod, follow the link in the video description for further instructions. Take the tube in the tap ring. Install it so that the tube is about 50 centimeters under your working plate. Connect the supply valve connection to the outlet for cold water. This is usually 3.8 inches. Connect the tube directly to the push-fit connector of the valve. Connect the cold water tube directly to the valve connection. Make sure that to deburr the tube before you connect this to the valve. Connect the tube to the supply valve. Connect with the red hook. Install the device in the desired location. Then connect the water connector to the machine inlet. Again, it's important to make sure to deburr the hose first. Connect the gas regulator to the device on the rear CO2 connector. Then fasten everything with the supplied red hooks. Place the gas bottle in the gas bottle holder provided and screw the gas bottle tight with a quick turn. Make sure that there is no gas leakage. Then open the regulator until the pressure gauge reads between 4 bar or 50 psi. Turn on the water under the sink. Make sure that all water connections are tight. Connect the electric wire and add a small drip tray. Important! Please turn on the two switches hot and soda on the back of the device only after you dispensed all water selections. The carbonation of the water takes some time. The device is ready for operation after approximately 30 minutes. to keep the water quality up to standard. It is recommended to replace the filter every 6 months. Regularly do a maintenance service. Now you can enjoy water from the tap in Aquarello quality.